Alright guys, TPMS relearn on Fords with the push button start. You'll need a tool, TPMS tool. Then the process is quite simple. You'll push the button until all the lights in the dash come on, so it'll be 1. And you want to do that 3 times. 2. And 3. On this third one, you want to press and release the brake. And then you do it another 3. So you go 1, 2, and 3. And then the TPMS light or the tire light is gonna flash. It'll tell you to train the front left. And then here's in real time. So you just push and then brake and release, and then another 3. Then you start programming from the front left to front right to rear right and then rear left, and that's it, man. Hope this helps. Push button start Fords, guys.